Okay, scatter plot is also one of the very interesting aspects of the advanced Excel. So what we'll do is we will create a scatter plot out of the data that is there. So we'll create two scatter plots. One is the new salary, current salary, and the other one is a new salary. So two scatter plots, okay, for comparison, current and new salary. So to create the scatter plot, we want the yearly salary. So just select the yearly salary, go into insert. There you'll have an option of insert XY bubble scatter plot. Just select that and select the first scatter plot. The first scatter plot you select is the scatter plot you get. So this is the yearly salary scatter plot. So look at how amazing this data is. Through scatter plot, you can basically analyze a lot of things. Though this chart is easy to create, but it gives you superb insights. As you can see, most of the data is clustered around from, say, around 90,000 to around $30,000. So that is the most the data has been scattered around. Through pictures, if I want to show you, okay, so this is basically the point where the most of the data is hanging around. So this is the crucial part of the data. So through the scatter plot, what you can see is you can see the distribution very well. Okay, so this is the distribution that you can see very well. I'll just take the scatter plot and move it next to the header of current salary. Just reduce the size of this a bit. Now I'll create one more scatter plot of the new salary. Now then you'll be able to see, again, insert scatter plot, new salary. Now Control X, I'll just move it next to current salary. Okay. Now what I'll do is, so this is specifically used for comparison. We'll keep the size and everything the same so that comparison is easier. Size is almost equal. Just check the size of both of these. Perfect, in line. But as you see, this is 0 and this is 120. This is 0 and 140. I'll change this to 140 format axis. So right click on the axis, format axis, change this 120. So right click format axis, change this 120 to 140. Now you get the distribution. Now what I'll do is I'll delete this axis. I will delete the below numbers as well for this as well. Now, as you see, you get two things together. And now I'll change color of this. Okay, now let's change the color, the chart. Okay, the color of this chart to say red. Okay, maybe some different yellow color. Shape outline again yellow. Okay, sorry. Shape, color and shape have changed. Now I will do a no fill because I don't want any background. Similarly, this also I'll do a no fill. So there is no background, no fill. Now I'll just try and paste this above this. Obviously, we'll remove this header and just keep one header, which will basically say yearly current versus new salary. Very simple. Or just remove this and we'll name it the convention. We can put it above. Now try and paste this above this. Okay, just try and paste it above this. So as you can see, we would require the access because this access is crucial. That's why it's not placing above. So what we'll do is we'll try to add that access very quickly from right side. The access numbers we'll add quickly. So we have got it over here, and change this color to a white color so that it is hidden. Now we will try and place it above this. Okay, this might take some time, but you can obviously do it. So the size should be the same. For that, just select both of these. We'll put a size over here, say 3.5. Okay, and width can be say 10. Okay, width is 10 and 3.5. So both are now equal looking. Now just place it above this. Okay. Now, as soon as I place this above this, what you see is the distribution of both of the scatter plots. Okay, this is the simplest way to do it. Obviously, there is obviously 2-3 methods also to do this, but this is also one method to do this. So now you can see current salary versus new salary comparison and how the salary has grown. Here, as you can see, this has moved to this. Crucial movings are also seen. Some are still placed where it is, and the above part has increased. So people have gone above the 120 barrier, because earlier the barrier, nobody had crossed 120. So now people have crossed about 120, this line. So this is very useful to like analyze both of the datas, and it looks also great in comparison. Obviously, if you keep 3-4 year salary, then 3-4 more charts will come into this picture, and it will look more useful, and you can analyze things more beautifully.